It started with one vision that pushed boundaries. One team of brilliant minds that performed breakthrough after breakthrough. Another flight, another innovation. Over 85 years, we created the first certified commercial helicopter and developed a revolutionary fleet. Found new, innovative ways to fly, to move, to operate. Worked passionate about our purpose. We're turning past lessons into new solutions, stimulating minds of the next generation, uncovering modern solutions for customers and for the world. And we're ready for more. Ready for another life saved. Another mission completed. Another breakthrough. Another 85 years.